Hi, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. Well, this has turned into a fine little mess. This was a waterproof deck over a framed space here, and because of the way that this was constructed, water ponded and puddled here. These posts are all rotted. You can see the dry rot all around here. Unfortunately, these posts go up and support the roof line here. The water got into the entire sidewall framing over here, and if you take a look at what's left, this water came in and rotted out this entire wall. It came down and it was not properly waterproofed, and there also happened to be a water leak up in the corner, so all of that framing is rotted. So this is what happens when water gets in and does its job. We have both dry rot and termite infestation over here. Those are old termite tubes, but we haven't seen any active infestation, but it's due to all the moisture. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another dry rot structural repair job. We handle all the plans, the permits, engineering is needed. We're going to re-waterproof the deck, re-stucco it, and put Humpty Dumpty back together again. So give us a call. We're the dry rot structural repair experts. They work throughout the San Francisco Bay Area, and you can find us at bayareacontractor.com. Thank you.